Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to talk about something really important and simple. How to say hello naturally in British English. Most English learners just say hello and stop there. But in the UK, greetings are often a little more friendly, casual and chatty. So let's learn how to greet like a native speaker. We're going to start with some common ways to say hello when you meet someone. Some examples are, "You all right?" This is a very British phrase. "Hello, how have you been?" "Hey, how are you doing?" "Hi there, how are you feeling?" Just saying hello is okay, but it can feel a bit cold or formal. Adding a question like, "How are you?" or "How's life?" makes the conversation warmer and it also shows confidence. Many English learners don't go beyond hello, maybe because they're shy or they're just not used to saying more. But if you add a simple question, it makes a huge difference. Now, let's talk about how to respond when someone asks, "How are you doing?" You could say, "I'm good, thanks. How about you?" "Not bad. What about you?" "I'm doing well. Cheers. What about you?" "I'm all good, thanks. How are you doing?" Remember, when someone asks, "How are you?" they're not asking for your whole life story. It's just a polite way to say hello. So keep your answer short, positive, and always ask the question back. Returning the question is so important. You could say, "And you? How about you? And yourself? How are things with you?" This keeps the conversation going and shows that you care. So next time you meet someone, don't just say hello. Make sure you add a little more. "Nice to see you," or "You all right?" and you'll sound much better and more polite in your greeting. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite greeting. Thanks for watching. See you next time.